What's going on, yogurt fans? You're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best yogurt makers in 2020. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these yogurt makers, feel free to check out the links in the video description. In addition, don't forget to answer our daily question at the end of the video, and leave your answer in the comments section for us. Before we get started, if you have any questions about any of these products whatsoever, don't hesitate to leave us a comment below the video. And don't worry, we'll actually respond to your comments in a very timely manner. And with that said, let's get started. The first yogurt maker we're going to show you today, coming in at our number 5 spot, is the Cuisine Basic Yogurt Maker. The next yogurt maker we're going to show you, at our number 4 spot, is another Cuisine automatic yogurt maker. Next up, in our number 3 spot, we've got the Cuisinart electronic yogurt maker. Are you enjoying our product suggestions so far? If so, go ahead and hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a daily product video from us. Coming up at number 2, we've got the Proctor Silex Greek yogurt maker. Last but not least, in our number 1 spot, we've got the Instant Pot Duo Yogurt Maker, and it also does a lot more than just make yogurt as well. Alright, yogurt fans. So, now that we're at the end of the slideshow, let us know in the comments section which yogurt maker you ended up liking the best. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and check out the next slide for related videos that you just might be interested in.